Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your MOVA V50 Ultra not returning to your dock. If it's not returning to the dock, first you may want to clean the sensors on the robot. So the sensors should be cleaned with a microfiber cloth. That can be dry, but you could also soak it in isopropyl alcohol. Could be also the window cleaning solution, and you can also damp it with water. And then if you're using water, make sure to use a dry cloth afterwards to prevent any stains. And now clean the camera on the front. Then on the front there's also a few other things happening. You can see there's the camera, but on the sides of the camera there are IR sensors which should also be properly cleaned. Then on the right side of the robot there's this IR sensor that you should clean, and on the back of the robot you should find these two charging pins and the sensor in between of them. Now, as you're already cleaning the robot, I recommend also cleaning the cliff sensors just to be safe for the future. So there's the cliff sensor here, right next to the wheel. On the other side as well, right next to the wheel, as you can see. And then on the front of the robot on the bottom, you'll find these two cliff sensors as well that you should clean. Now the next thing is to try to clean the sensor and the pins inside of the station. Here's the station. You can see there's this reflective part, a reflective black part, and the sensors. But as you're cleaning them, make sure to unplug the station from the power because you don't want to get electrocuted. And now the last thing is to try to make it return to the station by pressing on the button on top of the robot. This is the button, the home button. Press on it and see if it returns. If it doesn't, then you may want to manually put the back of the robot, this part where the logo is, into the station. So from then on, the robot will know where the station is and it will save it on the map. So yeah, because it may just have some difficulties locating it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.